G'day Facebook, Tristan here again from Nitro Gear and Axle. We've just opened up a couple of pallets worth of gear, which you'll have seen in the previous video. This here is a Toyota worm drive LSD for the 8-inch Toyotas. Here's what it looks like inside. Nice and solid unit. Really nice. Nicely machined, nicely built. This has just came off a pallet from the States direct to Melbourne in our Melbourne warehouse. You can see there's the gears inside there. Not even strong enough to move it by hand. Oh, there we go. Just so you can see those just moving around inside there. So this is a worm gear LSD to suit Toyotas. If you know anyone with a Toyota and a weak diff, send them to Nitro Gear and Axle. Tell them to come and grab one. Check out our website, nitro-gear.com.au. Hit us up on the Facebook page. And yeah, tag your mates with a Toyota.